guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jessa Kowitz and I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle vlogs. I would love for you to be a part of my little family, so please click that subscribe button and might as well turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I posted a new video. So as you can tell already on the title, this is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is actually a gift from my dearest friend. Thank you so much for your generosity, your love, your kindness, and I'm so grateful and thankful and so blessed to have you as my friend, and I don't know how to repay you. That's all I can say. You're the best. Anyways, so this is what she got me from Louis Vuitton. And I am so happy when I got this because this particular item has been so like unavailable here in Australia for more than a year, and my name is actually on the list, and until now I haven't received any call or email, and yeah, it's just sold out here in Australia. So when she got me this, I was so excited because finally. So here it is, and let us open it. Okay, so here's the receipt. Oh my gosh, are you ready? So here is the dust bag, and this is what she got me, and let's open this. Alright, so as you can tell, it's in monogram print. And it is the toiletry bag in the size 26. Oh my gosh, thank you. I've been wanting this for so long, you guys. Like what I've said, this item is sold out here in Australia, and I'm so grateful that she got me this. She knows that I've been wanting this for a long time, and she got it for me, and I'm just so lucky and so blessed. She's so sweet. And even though that this is a toiletry bag, oh, did I mention what size is this? Even though this is a toiletry, I will never use it as toiletry because I plan to use it as a clutch bag, just like so. I am so blessed, and let's open it. Ooh, girl. So this is what it looks like inside. So it has that like the two tags, and it's in a wipeable material, which is perfect. And my husband already got an organizer for it, and I can't wait to receive it because it will make my my toiletry more structured and more organized, and to protect the liner inside. And if you're looking for a bag organizer, I totally recommend kdaustralia.com. I will leave her link down the description box. She is so much more inexpensive compared to Samorga, the original club, and she got everything. Like, she have different sizes of bag organizers, and I can't recommend her enough because yeah, it's just save your money, guys. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to share you more on how I organize my bags. I don't know, let me know what you want to see. I'm planning to do a back to school or back to university bag organization. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Have a lovely day. I love you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.